Hello, this is Ani from odishatv.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Girl believed to be the close friend to dead Rishi meets Odisha Human Rights Commission over Bhubaneswar Mayor alleged CD case. Paradip police to take industrialist Mahima Mishra on remand from January 4th in connection with Mahendra Swain murder case. Forest Department expects the investigation process into the Royal Bengal tiger death case of Balangir Nuapada border. Villagers file complaint against 5 persons for forcibly collecting donation in the name of terrorist Abdur Rahman. And 3 members of central team visits Keranga village in Khordha district to review the dimension of bird flu. Now the details. A girl believed to be a close friend of deceased Asutosh Mohanty aka Rishi on Thursday met Odisha Human Rights Commission over the death of the engineering students. Sources said she was accompanied by her mother and some social activists. Though details of their discussion is not known, it is believed that she spoke with the commission regarding Rishi's death, which has become the talk of the town for past couple of days. The girl's move came barely few hours after the Commissioner Police informed the media that it has identified the girlfriend of Rishi and will soon interrogate her regarding the video which was allegedly shot by her. National Students Union of India State Unit Head Itish Pradhan had claimed that Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation Mayor Anant Narayan Jena was in the video in a compromising position with a lady. In a related development, Saurabh Nanda, the hostelmate of Rishi, for the first time appeared before the media. Talking to the newsmen, he said that investigation must be done to bring out the real culprit behind the whole episode.
जो माने पाखरे भी ये घटना विषय रे किसी इन्फॉर्मेशन अच्छी सेमानों को निश्चय इंक्वायरी ऑफिसर डाकिबो और सानरा एग्जामिनेशन करा दियो. Our effort is to ensure that a perfect investigation inquiry takes place. And I think we should be able to do a good job.
Police investigate करछि आम पूरा भरोसा अछि दैट पुलिस सत्यटा जहा सेटा निहाती भाबरे बाहर करी रहयो. मते सी केबे ता गर्लफ्रेंड विषय रे कि केबे एते पर्सनल लाइफ विषय केबे डिस्कस करिनि आजे कि मु भी केबे इंटरेस्टेड है कि पचारनी ताकू.
The Paradip police will take industrialist Mahimananda Mishra on a 4-day remand from January 4th in connection with the murder of Mahendra Swain. General Manager of COS Shipping and Logistics Limited Police informed this to media after the JMFC court confirmed the deaths. Mishra and his aide Basant Bala were scheduled to be on police remand from Thursday for interrogation. But looking at his ill health, for which he was admitted to Jagatsinghpur District Headquarters Hospital on Thursday night, police sought to extend the remand dates. The court on Thursday allowed the police to take Mishra on remand from 1st January. Earlier in the day, Mishra was taken back to Samagala jail in Jagatsinghpur district from the hospital. On Tuesday night, both Mishra and Bala were admitted to different hospitals after their health worsened. Bala had been shifted to the SCB Medical College and Hospital in Cuttack. The Forest Department is probing the death of Royal Bengal tiger whose carcass was found inside the forest near Choulamunda village on Balangiri Nuapada border Wednesday. According to sources, along with the Balangir Divisional Forester Officer, the veterinary officials from Lathor and Khafrakhola have examined the carcass of the tiger. From preliminary investigation, it is suspected that the tiger could have died of infection as there was bleeding from its mouth. On the other hand, Principal Chief Conservation of Forest informed that earlier pug marks of one tiger was discovered in the area. However, the same was not included in the census due to lack of clear indication. After the post-mortem, the actual cause of the death can be established, he informed.
पोस्टमार्टम पर एक्चुअल डेथ रो कारणटा जना पड़िबो. बर्तन सुधा जहाँ प्राथमिक रिपोर्ट जहाँ जना पड़े नेचुरल कज रु डेथ होइथिबो. कहीं हुए तो बाघर हुए तो ओल्ड एज डेथ होबार संभावना अच्छे. ये बाघ आम ट्रैक रे नथिला कहीं आम तार जेहेतु जंगल भितर रोला डीप जंगल भितर एरिया भितर एत प्रवेश होता कि आम खाली अनुमान करूँ बाघटा अच्छे.
A resident of Sanpada village on Thursday filed a complaint at the Salepur police station against 5 persons alleging torment was inflicted upon him when he denied to give money during a collection was made to help Al-Qaeda Indian subcontinent terrorist Abdur Rahman. The villager Sheikh Tehmir Ali told newsmen that a decision was taken during a secret meeting at the village to collect money for Rahman. Worth mentioning, the Odisha Crime Branch Police on Wednesday had filed a charge sheet in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class against A QIS suspect Abdur Rahman, who was arrested by the Delhi police from Paschima Kacha village under Jagashimpur police station limits on the outskirts of Cuttack on December 15, 2015.
50,000 टंका मागिछन्ति किंतु समस्ते पूरा एक अच्छी किंतु से 5 जन 10-20 जन धरिक आसी मो घर पर अटक करुच्ची 2-3 थर कर सारे पुआ सऊदी अरब अच्छी धमक मत दौरान तुम जब न जब तो तुम तुम भी अटक हम तो आज सकाल तुम पुआ भी आसी रही पार
किए किसी लोक चांदा मागुन तार बेल कनेक्शन आम किसी पैसा दियो पुणी जो सालेपुर पुलिस स्टेशन अभियोग होती ए बाबद गोटे मकदमा हम तार तदंत चली प्रकृत में कौन तार रिजन कौन कि आउ कौन रिजन अच्छी ताकू आम विशेष भाव तदंत कला ही कहूँ.
A 3-member central team of Thursday visited Keranga village in Khordha district to review the dimension of bird flu. The team, after a meeting with the district collector Niranjana Sahu, went to the primary health center at Keranga village and examined its healthcare facilities. The team later directed the health official to engage health workers to conduct door-to-door survey and note down the details of any element relating to cold, cough and fever and provide medicines to the patients. Meanwhile, taking note of the non-cooperation of the people is not handing over poultry to the rapid response teams. The district administration today decided to conduct raid on each house in the village with the help of local police. Talking about the situation in the village, Joint Director, Public Health Department, Odisha and one of the members of the central team, Dr. Vikas Patnaik said, till now not a single person of the village has been affected with the virus.
3टा ठारू आम पुलिस फोर्स नहीं आम पाख जंगल घर घर बुली पुलिस फोर्स द्वारा आणुचु काले धमक इथे लोक मैंने देदेवे जदि सेतिक न हम फोर्सफुली उठेबू कुकुड़ा गुड़ा को जोटी जहाँ अच्छा जो थे कि आउ लोक पेमेंट मिल ना तेणु समस्त को अनुरोध करें जदि से चाहूँगी आम लोक सब प्रस्तुत अच्छा आमको कुकुड़ा गुड़ा दे दिंतु.
Cold wave conditions continued unabated in many parts of Odisha on Thursday despite marginal fall in temperature in some areas, while Fulbani in Kandhamal district remained the coldest place in the state where the temperature was recorded at 5.6 degrees Celsius. Kandhamala remained the coldest zone in the state, as the district headquarters town of Fulbani recorded minimum 5.6 degrees Celsius. The mercury stood at 8 degrees Celsius as pictures skewed Daringibadi in the mountainous district. The meteorological department here said Bhubaneswar recorded a minimum temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, marginally lower than 15.7 degrees Celsius recorded yesterday. It said the minimum temperature dropped below 10 degrees Celsius in at least 8 places in the state. The minimum temperature at Bhavanipatna stood at 6.6 degrees Celsius, while it was 8 and 9 degrees Celsius at Sundargarh and Talche respectively. Sambalpur recorded 9.8 degrees Celsius, while Anukul and Hirakud registered a temperature of 9.6 and 9.9 degrees Celsius. The meteorological office said 2 days after beating of a villager to death, a group of armed Maoists shot dead another villager of Sanyasiguda in Malkanagiri district. Thursday morning, according to reports, the Maoists come to Sanyasiguda village of Andrapalli Panchayata in Chitrakonda block in the early morning hours with Nanda Golari, whom they had kept as hostage for 2 days. Later, they shot him dead in front of his house and filled the area. It may be mentioned that the Red Rebels had brutally killed Ravi Pujari of Chandapur village under Kudumuluguma block on December 27th by beating him to death. Later, they went to Sanyasiguda village and abducted Nanda Golari. The ultras brought Golari to his village this morning and shot him dead in front of his house. 17 days since going to missing, the decomposed body of the lady teacher of Bandhabulen Girls High School in Jamaradhia village was recovered on Thursday. The deceased Muni says aged 33 body was recovered from brick stack on the river near Atanka village. 4 days earlier, the local police had seized an Activa scooter, shoes, vanity bag and clothes of Muni. The body of Muni, who is from Jamaradhia village, was recovered by her family members. According to sources, circumstantial evidence suggests that she was murdered. The family members suspect that Muni was abducted and murdered, acting on the complaint, police having begun investigation into the matter. Before wrapping up, the news headline once again. Girl believed to be the close friend to dead Rishi meets Odisha Human Rights Commission over Bhubaneswar Mayor alleged CD case. Paradip police to take industrialist Mahima Mishra on remand from January 4th in connection with Mahendra Swain murder case. Forest Department expects the investigation process into the Royal Bengal tiger death case of Balangir Nuapada border. Villagers filed complaint against 5 persons for forcibly collecting donation in the name of terrorist Abdur Rahman. And 3 members of central team visits Keranga village in Khordha district to review the dimension of bird flu. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.